Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about s equal to 1 over 5 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, you got about 1 over 25 secant of t square. Number 25, we simplify secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Now, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about ds equal to 1 over 5 secant of t tan t dt. So, I will put this one to change for s. Similar for this one. ds we change by this one. So we simplify 1 over 5 secant of t on numerator and denominator. This one we have 1 over 25 secant of t square. 25 we simplify. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. This is about trigonometric identities. This one you got about tan t. So we simplify tan t on numerator and denominator. The integration of dt, you got about t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So I will put number 5 go to the left. And you got about t equal to arc secant of 5s. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.